Spending Valentine's Day watching Cody chase the birds. No, don't throw your cup. Go get him, Cody. Give me your cup. Give me your cup. Sit on the side of your backpack. Okay, go get him. Go get him. Say, come here, birdies. That way, Cody. Over here. Over here. They went that way. Go get him. Go get your train. Did you crash?
Yeah, guys.
Oh, man. You want to feed the birds now?
No.
You want to feed them bread?